Hi viewers, welcome to Kriyash Foods, the treasure to taste good food. Today I'll be showing you how to make tomato fried rice recipe. Now for this recipe I have taken one full onion and am slicing the onions down. If you don't like the onions to be longer, you can even chop down it into smaller pieces. Now I have taken two tomatoes, which is medium sized tomato, and am chopping it into small pieces. If you like to add more tomatoes, you can even add more tomatoes to this. After chopping tomatoes, I've kept the pan to heat. For this pan, I'll be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Here I have taken normal oil, but you can be using the mustard oil, rice bran oil, or any other oil of your wish, and I'm adding half a tablespoon of mustard seeds. After mustard seeds pop up, I'm adding half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, which is nothing but jeera. For the pan, now I'm adding 2 green chilies and 1 red chili. I've slit down the green chilies. If you want more spicy, then you can add some more green chilies according to your taste. And I'm adding onions. The onion should be fried well. At this stage you can even add salt for the onion to cook faster. Now I'm sauteing it well. At this stage I'm adding asafoetida of 2 pinches, which give a nice taste and aroma to the fried rice. If you want the aroma to be more, you can add some more asafoetida, which will even reduce the bloating. Now I am adding turmeric. The main reason for adding turmeric is it will enhance the color of the tomato fried rice and to cook the onions well. By adding turmeric, onions will leave the water out and get fried soon. Now at this stage, I'll be adding tomatoes. I'm cooking the tomatoes until it is soft and mushy. Now I have taken one bowl of rice which is already cooked. You can even use the leftover rice, which will also be good to have in the breakfast. Now I am mixing it well. After mixing it, I am adding half a tablespoon of red chili powder. If you don't like red chili powder, you can skip it. Instead of that, you can add more green chilies. Now after mixing everything well, I'll be adding a lot of coriander which is nicely chopped. The coriander will enhance the taste. And now I am adding grated coconut. This is the dry grated coconut. You can even add the normal grated coconut and mix it well. After everything is mixed up well, I am adding 3/4 spoon of salt at the last. After mixing the salt well with the rice, the tomato fried rice is ready. Now I am going to serve this into a serving bowl. This tomato fried rice will serve one person. If you want more quantity, you have to double the ingredients which I have showed in the video. The tomato fried rice is ready and I am garnishing it with the coriander leaves. Now the tomato fried rice is ready to be served. Thanks for watching, viewers. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's meet up in the next video.